Hi everyone again, I'm Noelle from the Study Farmer of Mega Digital. If you have been struggling to get your TikTok ads to convert and wondering why your efforts aren't yielding the result you expected, don't worry, we are here to help. In this video, we'll uncover the common hurdles that hinder your TikTok ads campaigns from achieving their full potential and provide practical, actionable solutions to help you overcome them. Let's dive in and find the answer you've been searching for. Reason number 1. Optimize the right goal. Don't make the mistake of using the same strategy used on different platforms when advertising on TikTok. Be clear about what you want to achieve, increase brand awareness, generate leads, or drive sales. Ensure your campaign objectives align with the platform purpose to maximize your TikTok ads campaign effectiveness. What about solutions? First, optimizing for traffic. TikTok algorithm prioritize sending your site to the right users, so choose the correct objective to attract quality leads. Number 2, event optimization. Start with add to cart for data gathering and switch to purchase optimizing once you have collected enough add to cart events. Reason number 2, budget limitation. Running TikTok ads on a tight budget can hinder campaign success, as TikTok algorithm requires sufficient conversion in specific time frame for effective optimization. Increasing your daily ad budget drastically from $50 to $500 can disrupt the algorithm optimization process. So, what about solutions? Gradually scale your budget, avoiding a rough change. For example, if your current daily budget is $50, consider increasing it to $75 and make further adjustments based on your campaign's performance. Moreover, calculate the daily budget needed to achieve the desired number of conversions, ensuring it supports your target, like 50 relevant events in 7 days for effective TikTok algorithm optimization. Now it's reason number 3, bidding optimization. Bidding optimization plays a crucial role in TikTok ad performance. When not properly managed, it can lead to various issues affecting conversion rate, like number 1, setting bids too high can inflate costs without giving more conversion, diminishing ROI. Number 2, bidding too low limits exposure and clicks, resulting in fewer conversions. Number 3, frequent bid changes confuse TikTok algorithm, affecting ad delivery consistency. And number 4, choosing the wrong bid strategy can attract uninterested clicks, lowering conversion rates. So now is a solution. Optimize your bidding strategy. Number 1, adjust your bid. If your current bid is $20, raise it into $25. This signals your willingness to invest a bit more for favorable results. Number 2, fine-tune bidding. After testing the higher bid impact, gradually reduce it to the fine balance between results and cost. Experiment with bids like $23, $20, or even $18 to scale your campaign effectively while managing expenses. Number 4, add creative. Understand your customer motivation and test ask call to action to find the responses with your audience within a winning formula for scaling success. Okay, now is a solution. Identify customer motivation and test different ad creatives, focusing on a single motivation for enhanced ad effectiveness. Number 5, audience personalization. Customers seek personalized experience in a world of choices. Tailor ads resonate with your audience, building a brand identity that aligns with the needs and desires. So remember to create brand identity, consistency, and leverage TikTok's lookalike audience, expand reach to potential customers who share similarity with existing buyers for improved ad performance. And now is reason number 6, lack of trust. Trust is crucial in the online world and it greatly influences customer decisions. When TikTok users encounter ads that don't instill confidence, conversion rates suffer. So what's the solution? First, utilize social proof to build trust. Include reviews, endorsements, and association with reputable individuals in your ads. Number 2, optimize engagement with Spark Art. Use Spark Art or similar formats to enhance connection and boost your brand's reputation on TikTok. To avoid ads having no conversion in the future, using a TikTok Ads Agency account is a smart move. This account offers a range of benefits, including access to experts who can provide guidance, advanced tools for campaign management, and efficient budget allocation. As a top 10 partner of TikTok, we have a direct connection with TikTok, enabling us to effortlessly transfer any remaining budget from your suspended account to a fresh one. Say goodbye to interruptions and unnecessary appeal, and take advantage of our 30-day trial to experience our service firsthand. That concludes today's video. If you found the information helpful, please express your support by liking the video, subscribing to our channel for additional valuable TikTok advice, and remembering to enable notifications to stay updated. We appreciate your viewership and we'll see you in our next coming video.